Hello guys, beginner trader here. We can start next transmission. Remember that all what I say is not financial advice, it's just my view of the market. So let's check our results. Start from Excel file. So as you see, some red days, more than green now. It's because of consolidation. Bitcoin have some moves up and down. We on almost same zone. I will show you later on the chart. On Wednesday I opened Ethereum and we take profit on Alice, and next 2 days are small minus average. We have 1% on plus, so it's not okay. It's a bad result, but I hope we will get better results later because, as you know, if you will follow 10% a day, we should have after 9 days almost 100 on profit, starting from 45 deposit. After 30 days it should be almost 800. After 90 days it's 239,000. So it's good number, and after 120 days it's 4 million. So really a lot. Now we on still on the start. We on almost same position when we was starting. Let's check the chart. Okay. Maybe we'll start from Alice because Alice is closed now. So as you see, here was our take profit. Stop loss here. It 1 day wasn't far from stop loss, but we go up here. As you see, almost we get take profit on that day, but after that dump, here we get take profit on Alice. And okay, as you see, here is Alice, $10 almost plus. Okay, we have Ethereum open right now. Here is our entry price. Take profit for 1,900, stop loss for 4. We close to entry now because of Bitcoin dump. All of my playing position I share on my Telegram profile, so if you want, on the description there are the link, you can join, and I will put all of my position playing Ethereum now. Entry, take profit, stop loss. Here Alice, after 3 days and 14 hours we get profit, and fill here, fill is still open. Okay, let's check fill now. So as you see, we closer to stop loss than entry now. Take profits really far, but this one is long-term position. I think I will close it on that place. If we will get that number, I will update on next video and on my Telegram profile. Bitcoin. Here I put 3 zones. When we close the candle down of that, I think we will get more dump. Here consolidation between these two zones, and if we close upper, then Bitcoin should goes up. Here, as you see, we have on 59,000 a lot of I think there is a lot of bot selling. That's why when we get that number, we going down from that place, as you see again. So if you want to take short position, you can put 58 and something, and I think if we'll get that number, we can get next dump. But maybe we will protect and get the zone and close up of that. Okay, let's check coin 360. Bitcoin on really small plus from yesterday, 56 and 800. Ethereum almost same, small plus, but most of the coins are green now. We have some red, but Shiba, that one is outsider. Some on NFTs link. Okay, but if we have red position, I think it's not much. 2% grow. Don't here almost for almost same position. So I think still consolidation, and Friday I will check and I will update you on the Telegram if I will close or open some position. Okay, fear and greed index, it's fear 31 points. Almost same than yesterday. Yesterday was fear as well. Neutral last week and last month was extreme greed because Bitcoin was going up and all of the altcoins was following the Bitcoin. Okay, I think it's all for today. So if you want, you can leave a like and share or subscribe my channel. If you want, you can also leave small donate. I will develop the channel. If you like the content, I will really happy of that. So thank you very much and see you on next transmission. Bye bye.